Hi. Today we are going to learn few tips to create a simple dashboard in Excel. So here I have two sheets. One is expense sheet, the other one is sales sheet. And you can this is just for the reference purpose. I took some data. This data are not actual, okay? This is just for the reference purpose. I have taken some data, okay? So I have here the expense, I have here the sales. So in sales I have description, category, quantity, unit price, amount, and a few things I have added over here. And in expense, again you can see the description and the category and the cost you can see here. Then I'm going to create one more sheet, okay? That sheet is called the summary sheet. In that summary sheet we have to we have to place the chart, we have to place the pivot chart, pivot table, and we have to get the everything summary, the total, all this information, the full informations we need to see, or the important informations we need to see on the dashboard without going to the expense or the sales data, sales sheet. So anyway, we'll see that how can we create it. Right click and you click here insert. So worksheet, then click OK. One more worksheet is created. Then I'm just going to give the name dashboard. In this dashboard, the first what I want to do, I just wanted to see the total sales, and I wanted to see the total expense. So I select maybe here to here, then I click here merge and center, click over there and you select merge across. That means this is merged, this three columns merged and become one column. Here also 3 column merged and become one column. And I type here total sales and total expenses. Now I need to get the total sales and total expense here. So I'm going to use the command equal to sum. Use sum, open the bracket. First total sales, go to the sales, click on the sales sheet, then you click on this E, the amount E. So you can see completely it is selected. Then close the bracket and press enter. So you will be getting here total sales. Then total expense equal to sum, open the bracket, go to the expense, then you have to select here C, then I close the bracket and press enter. So you got here the total expenses. So now we got the total sales and total expenses. So now we go to the expense and you can see here you select all these things and you can see that is 81,000. That is the same amount we are getting over there. Let's say I'm just going to add few other things. Let's see here. Again one more vehicle payment, okay? Then I give, that is coming under the category transportations, and I'm just going to give here 5,000. Once I add 5,000, I'm adding my value over there, so it will be automatically updated with our dashboard. Same thing for the sales as well. Whenever you enter the values, when more sales comes, you add all those values, those informations over there, then the total sales will be get increased automatically. That will be considered, that will be calculated. This is our first step. Then the second step, what we need, I just wanted to get you can see the sales. We have the different category like electronics, food, other, like this 3 category I have created. So I just wanted to get the category wise sum. For this what we do, I select from A to E, then go to insert. There you can see pivot chart and you select here pivot chart options. Then from here existing worksheet, click on locations and go to the dashboard, and you click where you need to place it, then click OK. So you can see how it is coming. Then I'm selecting here category in this axis. You can see here the filters, the legend, the axis, and the values. Then amount I will be placing inside the values. So you can see here now total electronics, what is the total sales amount. You can see the food, the other, and you can see here the blank, because we are selecting over there the blank cells as well, right? That means when you click over here completely from here to here, you are selecting some blank cells also here. That is the reason that blank is coming. Anyway, we don't want to see that blank here. So I just click here, click on this arrow. This is basically a filter. Then I turned off the blank. That means I don't want to see the blank there. So once I created this, you can see electronics, what is the total sales, and food, the other items, and what is the grand total. That is the same thing you are getting over here. Now here I select, and I'm just going to type here category. Okay, that's it. Then so the pivot table I select, created, and the chart I need to create it now. So let's see here, click, we place here or here, wherever I select here. Then I just wanted to change this into a pie chart. So I'll go to the design. There you can see change chart type, and we have to select here the pie chart. Then you can choose anything. I select this pie chart, then I click OK. So this is converted into pie chart. Then you have different options here. You can choose any of this one. Let's say I just wanted to see this, then I click on that. Once I click, you can see here and click here, then I type here category by I give here category. Yeah, basically category you can see, or you can say the pivot chart. Like this, the heading you can select it. So you here what you are seeing, you can see the electronics, the 43% sales, food food how much, 23, and other 34. Like this you can see it. And more customization you wanted to do it there, you can do it. And the colors you wanted to change it, you can change it. That's all you can do it. You can just check here the different which is more, this all are the different styles. You could have select anything, or you can customize also yourself. Maybe I'll go with this one. Okay, so we have created now. Then so this is finished now. Then the next one we are just going to create it, or sales. I'll type here sales 2024. Okay. Then next we are going to the, so we given the category here, and yeah, so that's okay. Then next we have to go to the next one, which is related to the expense. So here you can just select and you place it here, and if you want to create it smaller, you can create. Okay, then I add here insert 2 or 3. We'll see that formatting we can do later. Now again go to the expense, and you select all these things. Then you can press the control, then you click here. That means So basically when you click here, everything will be, I mean A, B, C, all the data will be selected, I mean complete row will be selected in A and B, C. But later on you press the control, then you remove this row and you remove this row. Okay, so only this one will be selected. Then you can go to the insert. Again you select the pivot chart, and I have to choose existing worksheets. Okay, go to the dashboard, then I click somewhere here, then I click OK. So it comes here. Then again I choose the category over here, the cost I place here. So again you can see that the category, and you can see the cost. So let's say I select here and I do category, and here the cost, and you can select it, click and change the format, and click on this category, this arrow you click and turned off blank. So we don't want to see the blank one here. Then you select this, go to the design chart type. You can see here the different types of charts we have. I'm selecting here pie chart again, let's say, and I select this one. That also you can choose, or this one. Okay, then you click OK. So you can see here the pie chart is created. Now you go to this different style and you just check how it is. I think this is okay here. Let me just select that, then I'll place it accordingly. So this one you can just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that's it. So this is also we have done. So you can see that expense wise, I mean expense for entertainment, food, housing, like this separately you can do it. Here you can see sales wise what is the total income generated, I mean total sales amount, and here you can see the expense amount. Then now I have done all these things. So later on when you go to the sales and when you go to the expense and you update your data over here, automatically this also will be get updated. Now let's say I just insert one more row, then I select here merge and sender, and I type here sales. Okay, let's say sales, click here middle align, bold, and make it big. Okay, then after this I have selected here, I mean I select here insert, and one more insert I inserted. Okay, then you can just click here again insert, then what we need to do, we have to select it from here to here, and we can do merge and center, and I do here expense, okay, bold, then okay, that's it. Then you have to place it properly. Now you can see this is your simple dashboard. So because I have only two sheets over here, one is sales and one is expense, which I selected, then when I go to the dashboard I will be getting all the information, what is the total sales, total expenses, and the sales, the category wise the sales, and the chart of that I can see it here, and the same way the expense category wise expenses and its chart I can see over here. Then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to format it. So let's see here, I'm selecting from here to, yeah, that's it, I select this area, Then I can go to the border, and I give here outside border, and more borders. I select this thick border and I place OK. So only the outside borders are coming over here now. See here. Okay. Then here what I want, I select from here to here, merge and center, dashboard, then click make middle align, bold, and you can make it bigger. Yes. Okay. Now I select all. I click here, then I can just simply select a I select the color. Which color is okay? You can choose any colors. You could choose any colors. Let me just select this. Okay. So once you created, you can so currently the entire color I have changed. So that's depends. If you want, you can select only the certain up to here. I have to do it. I select here and I need to change the color. Maybe I'll select this color, then I choose the dashboard. That I have to choose another colors, bold, etc. Like this I done. Or I can choose here the color, this one, and here I select the color white. So yeah, that's fine. Then this total and this one bold, and I'll make it a little bit bigger, and you can select this and make it a little bit bigger. Now I increase the bigger in the sense I made the D column bit bigger, not the font size. Font size you have to do it from here, correct? So that's it. I select here now these two, then I have to give the different colors, maybe okay. So currently you can see I'm not selecting completely. I select only these two, click here, and I select here and here, then OK, and you can choose. So basically when you change you add more data here, this will be get added, or that will be get added into this one. Then here the chart color also you can change if you want, but I'll keep the same thing. Then we can see here the category and this thing, you can make it let me see, I select this one, outline and inside, then OK. Then you can just make it a little bit bigger, so accordingly this is also coming. Then you have to select the expense, so check, OK, sales, I give this and this, and here also I give bold, yes. Then here select, you give the comma format, I change into the comma format. Then I click here border, add outline, not this one, single line, you can select outline and inside, then click OK. So a simple, very simple dashboard we have created. Now you can add many things into the dashboard, but I have created one simple dashboard here. Now I just wanted to generate links to this expense and the sales too. So I go to insert, and I can select from here shapes. Then I select a shape, maybe the rectangle we select. Then I just draw a rectangle here. Okay, then Control C, Control V, one more copy I created. I mean, two rectangles I have placed. Okay, now you can select, right click, and you can see edit text, and I'm typing here sales. Okay, then here you can just go to the home and make it exactly the center, and here also, I mean, vertically and horizontally center, bold, and you make it. Then here expense, so just right click, edit text, expense. Okay, then click vertically and horizontally center, bold. How much I given? 20. So here also I'm going to do 20 and bold. Yeah, bold and 20. Okay, we given this. Then you can select this, right click, format shape options. You can go to the fill and you can see all these options here, or you go to the format here directly. There you can see shape effect, and you add some preset effect here. See here, it looks like a button now, or I will be selecting this one. I think this is better, or anything you can select. I selected this thing. Then click here, shape effect, presets, and I select this thing. Now next, what I want, I have to give the link back to the link to the expense and the sales. So I click on sales, just go to insert. There you can see the link. Go to insert, click on the sale, this button, I mean that rectangle we placed and we gave some format and converted as a buttons, right? You click on that button, then go to insert and click here link. Then you can see here place in this document, and I select the sales, then I click OK. So the link is created into sales. Same thing, I click on expense, insert, link, and you choose expense, then click OK. So what is happening now, when you click on the sales, it will take you to the sales. See here, you have sales. Now I'm adding one more thing here, which is called again one more shapes. Let's say I have select this one, and I just click like this, right click, edit text, dashboard, go here, go to the home here, in the sense go to the home, make it vertically and horizontally center, bold, then click, go to the format, and you need to select shape effect and choose the shapes effect. Okay, I select this, Control C, and go to this expense, and I do Control V. Here also I place the same thing. Now go to the sales, just right click. Here also you can see the link, then you choose dashboard, then click OK, and go to the expense, just right click, I mean click on this, right click, link, and you use dashboard. Now the link also we set, so you can see here the total sales, total let me just change the color. I think black is better here. Black is the better color. Okay, so now you are seeing everything over there, and when you click on the sales, it will take you into the sales, and you can add more data here. So when you add, automatically your dashboard will be get updated, and you go to the, now you go back to the dashboard again. So you come back here and you click on expense. You can go here and you can add your expenses, more expenses you can add, so that will be updated with the dashboard, and again you can go to the dashboard. So whenever you do the update, when you add more data into the expense, sales and all, later on just simply refresh and make sure that everything is working properly. So this is very simple example to generate and to understand how we create a simple dashboard in Excel.